cash accumulated. Soon as we came in the game, all these niggas they imitated. Put my mind on it, then I put my grind on it.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just decided to turn on the camera since I was doing my hair anyway, and I might as well talk through this and make a video out of it. So I just finished washing my hair. I think I'm just gonna show you guys like the products I use to moisturize my hair, and I'm gonna moisturize my hair on camera. I use some Shea Moisture shampoo to wash my hair. I can't find it anymore, so I can't show it to y'all, but I'll link it down in the description box. And I use this let me see if it can focus. Yeah, I'm gonna link this down below as well. It's the Sunny Isle Jamaican Black Castor Oil Intensive Repair Mask. Yeah, I like this a lot. I use it like once a month, and it looks just like this. As you can see, it's literally almost done. Yeah, I use it a lot. So right now I washed my hair, I believe, almost an hour ago. It's still a little damp, but it's still a little damp. So we're just gonna moisturize it. And as you can see, I separated my hair into like 3 parts just so it's easier to moisturize. It's the only way I can moisturize my hair, otherwise it just doesn't work. So I'm gonna use this Cantu leave-in conditioner, but my Cantu leave-in conditioner, I do stuff to it. Like I add extra stuff to it. Like in here I have the Hair Infinity pill, like the powder. I poured it in here. That's why it's like yellow. And I also put a little bit of this virgin hair fertilizer in there, this thing right here. I got this from the beauty supply store, and it's supposed to like grow your hair. And I'm gonna be trying this thing right here. This is the first time I'm using this. I just got it from my sister. Yeah, it's the another black Jamaican castor oil moisture and curling hair sorbet from OK. Yeah, like I said, I've never used this before, but my sister says it's good. Okay, so here's how this looks. Let me see if I can just... Alright, I just reduced the lighting a little bit. It was just a little too bright. Yeah, it looks almost like whipped, literally almost whipped. So I'm gonna use those two, mostly this one, because this one, the smell is too strong, especially since I put that hair fertilizer in there. I really don't need to put a lot of this in my hair. So I already sectioned this part off. I was stretching it earlier, as you can see in the beginning of the video, just so my hair doesn't like shrink up. We really don't need that right now. So I'm literally just gonna take this and I'm gonna take this part too. The first thing I do is literally just moisturize it like this and stretch my hair as I go. Yeah, once like I do this, that's when I literally use my finger. So lately I started this thing where I don't use a comb on my hair. Even when I'm washing my hair, like I just use my fingers to detangle everything. And I found that once I do that, I lose less hair. Like literally before, I used to lose like a big ass chunk of hair just from combing my hair, but now I just use my fingers for everything, and it's literally been saving my hair. So most of you guys know I have 4C hair. Like if you've watched my other natural hair video, I have 4C hair, and this, everybody know what 4C hair is like. We don't get curly hair. My hair gets dry a lot, like really dry. All right, so now that it's like this, I'm gonna use my finger and literally part a piece out with my finger and just take a little bit more and just add it right there. Literally add it to my scalp. And this is the hair fertilizer with the cantu. I'm gonna use that too. I'm gonna go back in and part another section. The easiest way to part, you guys, without using a comb, just use your pinky or any finger, honestly. It parts the best. I just put it right through and then gives me off a section. Now I'm gonna take a little bit more of that hair fertilizer with the cantu and put that right on my scalp and literally just keep going. Like this whole section right here is the most moisturized pieces of hair right now in my head. So alright, now I'm just gonna literally just use my fingers and comb through my scalp and make sure there's no dry spots at all. Then I'm gonna take the piece and just braid it. Sometimes I'll do a twist, but I found that braiding it into just one big braid stretches my hair out more and it stops all the shrinkage from happening. So this is the best way to basically just moisturize your hair and leave it. It stops shrinkage and leaves your hair moisturized. You guys see the difference from this piece right here? This piece is literally just tied. This is how my hair was before I moisturized it, and now it's smooth. And then I just twist the end so it could stay locked in place. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna do the same thing to this side right here. Okay. So most of you guys know I cut my hair off. I big chopped May 30th 2016. That was literally 2 years ago. It made 2 years this past May, and my hair actually grew so much. I wish I had more pictures of my hair when I first cut it, but I wasn't even a YouTuber back then. I didn't really think about tracking my journey at all. I just cut it and just started taking care of my hair, and then I believe like a few months later, that's when I started YouTube. So I'm not gonna keep like talking. I'm just gonna show you guys because I literally just do the same thing. So I'm just gonna show you guys. Y'all see how dry this is? Like, I have one of the driest scalps ever. I'm gonna part it down. I'm gonna start right here. I'm gonna use my finger and just part right here. Ow. And use this right here. I'm just gonna tie this part off to the corner. Okay, so basically this is all I do to my hair when I want to moisturize it. If I want to do like a puff and go out the next day, I just leave it just like this for my hair to completely dry and stay moisturized, and the next morning I just take out the braid and it's ready to be in a puff because it's all stretched out, moisturized. Honestly, this is going back under wig, so tomorrow my mom is just gonna do some cornrows straight to the back for me, and then I'm gonna put on my wigs again. But usually if I have to do a puff, I just do the same thing, This regularly I do on a regular basis every time I wash my hair. But yeah, so right now I'm just gonna put on like a scarf and just tie it, and just go to sleep. That's it. So thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe right down there, and also follow me on all my social media. Everything will be down in my description box.